Are you ready for your journal entry jamboree? Hi, I'm Mary Beth Goodrich, and I'm going to take us on a journey through the power of learning through journal entries that are done in an enterprise resource planning system and comparing and contrasting that to work done in an Excel spreadsheet to really map out and allow the accounting transaction process to come alive. We will start with really understanding how companies might do a parallel system implementation and keep entries in one system while moving to another system. And we will chart transactions through from transaction to journal to ledger to through T accounts to a trial balance, and then adjusting entries, and then all the way through to financial statements and comparing and contrasting that. This has been very valuable for students to learn and understand and appreciate enterprise systems and what they do to streamline the accounting process. Thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to learning with you, and I know this is going to be extremely rewarding. Thank you.